city of the Netherlands. It has a population of 921,402. Within the city proper, 1,457,018. In the urban area and 2,480,394 in the metropolitan area. Located in the Dutch province of North Holland, Amsterdam is colloquially referred to as the Venice of the North, for its large number of canals. Amsterdam's main attractions include its historic canals, the Rijksmuseum, the State Museum with a vast collection of Dutch Golden Age art, the Van Gogh Museum, the Dam Square, where the Royal Palace of Amsterdam and former City Hall are located. Others include the Concertgebouw Concert Hall, the Anne Frank House, the Heineken Experience, the Red Light District, and many cannabis coffee shops. The city is also well known for its nightlife and festival activity, with several of its nightclubs among the world's most famous. Primarily known for its artistic heritage, elaborate canal system and narrow canal houses with gabled facades. Amsterdam, as well as most of the North Holland province, lies in USDA hardiness zone 8B. Summers are moderately warm with a number of hot and humid days with occasional rain every month. The average daily high in August is 22.1 degrees Celsius, or 72 degrees Fahrenheit, placing Amsterdam in AHS heat zone 2. The record extremes range from minus 19.7 degrees Celsius, or minus 3.5 degrees Fahrenheit to 36.3 degrees Celsius, or 97.3 degrees Fahrenheit. Days with more than 1 millimeter, or 0.04 in of rain are common, on average 133 days per year. Amsterdam experienced an influx of religions and cultures after the Second World War. With 180 different nationalities, Amsterdam is home to one of the widest varieties of nationalities of any city in the world. The proportion of the population of immigrant origin in the city proper is about 50%, and 88% of the population are Dutch citizens. Amsterdam has been one of the municipalities in the Netherlands which provided immigrants with extensive and free Dutch language courses, which have benefited many immigrants. The Amsterdam Canal system is the result of conscious city planning. In the early 17th century, when immigration was at a peak, a comprehensive plan was developed that was based on 4 concentric half-circles of canals with their ends emerging at the IJ Bay. Amsterdam has a rich architectural history. The oldest building in Amsterdam is the Oude Kerk, which translates to Old Church, at the heart of the Wallen, consecrated in 1306. The oldest wooden building is Het Houten Huis at the Binnenhof. It was constructed around 1425 and is one of only 2 existing wooden buildings. It is also one of the few examples of Gothic architecture in Amsterdam. is one of the most bicycle-friendly large cities in the world and is a center of bicycle culture with good facilities for cyclists such as bike paths and bike racks, and several guarded bike storage garages. Bicycles are used by all socio-economic groups because of their convenience. Amsterdam's small size, the 400 kilometers, or 249 miles of bike paths, the flat terrain, and the inconvenience of driving an automobile. It's the financial and business capital of the Netherlands and one of the top European cities in which to locate an international business.